What's going on YouTube? Retro Gaming here, and of course /RussianMod98. Tonight I want to show you something that I copy out of my Xbox hard disk drive, which is my original Xbox. I have the audio files, which is the theory that people saying there's creepy sounds on the system. So I found the folder itself. Okay, I'm in my folders. Should be able to see it. Yep, there it is. That's the ambient sound which people was talking about with the Xbox. So those sounds are basically from NASA. So I copy it from my computer, from my Xbox computer. For how I did that, I did a file transfer protocol. I did a file transfer files from my Xbox to my computer, which I had done. I use this application called FileZilla, which is an application where you can just connect 2 or 3 devices at a time, where you can just send files from that device to another device. So I've done that with my computer. So as you can see, those are the files right there, the sound files from the Xbox original, which I copied from the system to the computer. And with this audio player that I have, VLC, I've used this for years. I used this for like 6 years. It can play any audios, any format audios, and of course, yeah, it can play any audios. So this is it right here. So I'm gonna exit out to play a sound. Here we go. Yeah, I basically heard this on my Xbox. I hear this on the Xbox. When I turn it on, I hear that sound. Sometimes I can hear the creepy background. Okay, get another one. Yep, every time I turn it on, it does this sometimes. And this is actually playing. This was playing when I turned it on sometimes. I have 2 original Xboxes, but mostly the one I have right now, which is right here. It makes that kind of sounds at times when I turn it on. Of course, I modified this for what I did. How I modified it. I modified the system. I soft modded on my console. I was able to get these files out of the Xbox. I just copied the folder files and then I just put it in the computer because I want to hear what they actually sound. I heard from YouTube, but I actually want to hear it from my from my computer. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Of course, I soft modded both of my Xbox, and I think it's really cool. So I'm gonna get back to this. Okay, I guess I'm listening to House of Thunder. I think this might be the next part, might be the creepy part. Hey guys, that video that I was doing, I didn't get to finish the rest of the video. It unfortunately crashed, so this is gonna be a continue of what I started from. So I'm going to play back the part where I play the third audio part where I started saying that's when I get to the creepy part. So I'm gonna replay this again so you can hear the rest of the audio. So here we go. I mean, it sounds very normal. I mean, it doesn't sound creepy or anything. I mean, I hear this sometimes when I turn on the console. But as I said, it sounds like an engine room. Here comes the next part. But yeah, these are the files that I extracted, that I copied from my console to this PC, and I'm able to hear this stuff from this application called VLC. It can play any audio file formats than MP3 audio. Here we go. Yup, here we go. This is gonna be a really disturbing part. Oh wow. Here we go. Wow. Here you go. Yep. Well, this is it. This is as far as I see it. All the audio files that I basically copied from my console to the PC, and these the audios this guy was talking about. The guy who did the video about 5 spooky sounds from game consoles. Someone who done this, I believe they did a file transfer protocol from console to PC, I believe. So yeah, and I did the same thing. So it's when I figured if people don't do like a video about it to actually show about it, show the files of them, I figured I could do it. So if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, please do so. If you like, share. If you don't, you don't. Leave a comment down below, see what you think of the video, and if you don't agree to these things, then you have to say so your opinions. So peace out and good luck to you guys, and be safe out there.